So in this video we're going to talk about fragments in React. So in React we cannot return multiple elements. So we have to wrap multiple elements under a wrapper. So normally we use div or any other element just to wrap multiple elements. Now this way we are just adding this extra div node just to group multiple elements, and this adds one extra node to the DOM. So this extra element can sometimes disrupt the structure of our layout, but with the help of fragments we can avoid this unnecessary wrapper. So instead of this div we can write React.Fragment, and this way we can create the fragment which will work as a wrapper for multiple elements, and we can group them together with the help of this React.Fragment. And you can see we have the output. Similarly also we can create the fragments, or we can simply use empty tags, and this will also work fine. You can see we have the same output. So both of the approaches achieve the same result. So we can group multiple elements with the help of the React.Fragment without adding one new DOM node. So hope you understand about fragments in React. So see you in the next one. Take care.